All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. In this one, we're going to look at the reverse array method. Okay, and this is a very simple method. Basically, it reverses the order of the elements in an array. So in this numbers array, we have 1 to 5, and if I come down here and I'll just do a direct console.log, okay, because it's just a very tiny array. And then inside here, I'll just say numbers dot reverse. So that should be reverse, and then because it's a method, I'll just put in my parentheses there and I'll save. Okay, let's run this and see what we get. So you see here we have 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so sometimes you may want to actually sort out your array before you then use the reverse array method, okay, depending on what you want to achieve, really. All right, so but basically this is how the array.reverse works. All right, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and leave a like on this video. See you in the next one.